Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. Whoops. Hi everyone, welcome back for another video of Project Apollo. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox the Icy Box 5.25 multi-port front panel, and I'm going to tell you, I'm going to open and tell you the reason why I went for this one. So basically, this one here is brilliant. I can connect all sorts of memory cards, so no dongles, no cables messing around. I've got USB 2.0, 3.0, 3.1, SATA and a fast charger as well. And on top of that, I've got earphone jack and microphone jack. Not that I'm going to use them, but it's good to have. So let's see this. Let's open this. The reason why I picked this was, first of all, good price. Second of all, when I bought this, and I'm not being sponsored by any way, at overclockers.co.uk, when I was going through this, I looked, and this one here looked really cool. I checked some reviews, done my research, and I think it works. For me, at least. So, let's see, let's open the box, like so. Very cool. I'll be honest with you, I don't even know how to connect this. Now I know. Okay, we've got Molex cable, SATA, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, USB 2.0. Where's the microphone? And headphone jack. My one doesn't come with that. When I bought it, I'm pretty sure that had a headphone jacket. Like I said, I'm not going to use it anyway, so I don't care. So, yeah, it doesn't have one. Oh well, never mind. I'm not worried. What I was focused on is in all of this. The finish at the front looks amazing. It's black, and it's like brushed aluminium black, so it looks cool. So I've got quite a few good connections here. So as I said, 2.0, I've got 4 USB at the front, 2.0. I've got USB 3.0 as well. I've got a rapid charger for the phone, iPad or whatever, and then the SATA connection as well, and all of the memory cards. So to be honest, can't go wrong with that. It was cheap, does the job, and having this, obviously, this is why I went for this sort of thing instead of using cables. Cables, you need to move, grab a cable, then grab another cable. Having this at the front, first of all, it's connected straight to the motherboard. Therefore, the speeds when you're importing stuff like photos or videos straight to your computer, this will be running faster than if you have an adapter. So that was the main reason why I went for an internal memory card reader, and I think that's it. I don't have much to say about this, apart from, to be honest, I thought I'll have some headphone jack and microphone input, even though I'm not going to be using that. But it was my mistake. It was my mistake when I saw so many, so probably when I went to buy I just clicked the wrong one. When I want to confirm, I didn't go through the specs. So, my bad. But I'll be honest with you, looks great, feels great. Super compact, by the way, super compact. So if it's, in any case, to be honest, so if you've got a small computer that you buy off the shelf and you want to adapt one of these, listen, no problem whatsoever, can be done. So there you go. I think that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and feel free to ask me any questions in regard of my Project Apollo. I'll be showing more videos. I'm going to be creating more videos about the stuff I'm using, why I'm using, opening, so you get my first reactions, and there's no script whatsoever. And as you may notice about the microphone input, so there's no script or nothing. I'm just going to give you my honest opinion, and I'm not getting sponsored by any make that I'm going to be using on my build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share these videos with everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.